This is the Global Economic Commodities Scrap Metal and Recycling Report by Benlee Roll-Off Trailers and Open Top Scrap Gondola Trailers, January 27th, 2020. U.S. weekly steel production rose to 1.928 million tons on slow demand as hopes remain on faster growth. Oil fell hard to $54.49 a barrel on the concerns about the China virus and a good supply of oil. U.S. weekly oil production was steady at 13 million barrels a day, the all-time record it hit 2 weeks ago. This is great for U.S. jobs and means less imports of Middle East oil. Iron ore rose slightly to $96 a ton on positive China manufacturing data. Scrap steel number one heavy melt was steady at $259.33 a gross ton on slowing global demand, especially in Europe, as prices are set to fall about $15 a gross ton or more in February. Hot rolled coil steel fell to $30.09 per hundred on slow demand and could fall further as scrap metal prices fall. Copper fell hard to $2.68 per pound as the world becomes more concerned about the spreading virus that started in China. Aluminum fell slightly to 80.8 cents per pound as the pressure remains both up and down in global markets. The IMF, the International Monetary Fund, issued a new set of forecasts last week. The global economy is set to accelerate slightly this year, 2020, to 3.3% and grow faster in 2021 to 3.4%. That's great news. IMF's China forecast slows this year, 2020, to 6.0% and slower in 2021 to 5.8%. Yes, slowing, but still pretty fast. IMF's U.S. forecast is that we slow this year, 2020, to 2.0%, then slower in 2021 to 1.7%. This is a very, very serious problem. The White House said the 2018 tax cut was to accelerate growth to 4, 5, and 6% or more. It was also said that we would pay off the national debt in 8 years. But the exact opposite is happening. We are slowing, and slow growth is bringing more debt. Now there is White House talk of another tax cut to boost growth, as the White House is forecasting 3.0% for 2020, which is 50% higher than the IMF's 2.0 forecast. January's Eurozone, an economy about the size of the U.S., had its manufacturing PMI index rise to 47.8. Note, below 50 means contraction. Yes, this is a bit complicated, but what it means is under 50 means contraction, so 47.8 means their manufacturing is contracting at a slower rate. It's the 12th straight month of contraction, but new orders stabilized and business sentiment improved. January's U.S. manufacturing PMI index fell to 51.7 on the slowest increase in factory activity in 3 months. New business growth was marginal as demand softened and backlogs fell. Wall Street's Dow Jones average fell to 28,990 on concerns about the China virus spreading globally. It remains near the all-time high, which is great news, but it's due to fall this morning. Not everyone knows Benlee builds the best open-top scrap gondola trailer in the business. The most popular lanes are 48 and 53 feet with 8-foot high sides. They're optimized for weight to carry more, but are a robust design. Call us for a quote. As always, feel free to call, leave a message on LinkedIn, or email me with any questions, and we hope all have a safe and profitable week.